Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zep application if you want to change the language. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. So let's open the Zep application on our phone. In the application, select the profile option. Then select your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini from the list of devices. Here, tap on the watch settings. Then select system language. And right here we have a list of languages we can apply on our watch. Find the language you like to use, select it, for example Deutsch, and then tap on OK to confirm. Now let's wake up the screen on our watch and check if the language changed. So let's open, for example, notifications. As you can see, it's in German, and also the menu is in German. Now let's bring it back to English. So let's select English and tap OK. And now it should be in English. As you can see, it is. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.